2. Samoyed. Beating 4 other dogs on our list of the 5 most expensive dogs in the world is the magnificent Samoyed. It's easily identifiable by its beautiful, thick, white, double-layer coat. Originally, it's a large herding dog from Siberia and lives between 12 to 13 years on average. A fully grown male can weigh 45 to 65 pounds, and a female weighs around 35 to 50. They are very intelligent, sociable, and inquisitive animals. These cute, fluffy dogs are becoming incredibly rare, which is why we rank them as the most expensive dog breed in the world. This rare dog breed Samoyed costs around $14,000.